I mean, you can call it the luck of the Irish, or you could just call it a really good springtime cupcake. Either way, we're gonna make some mint chocolate cupcakes. I love a good mint chocolate cupcake. I did make mint chocolate chip cupcakes in a previous video for St. Paddy's Day. I want you guys to check that out. There I made a leprechaun bark and shamrock shakes. That previous one has nothing on this one. I literally changed the recipe. This is my own secret chocolate cupcake recipe, and then we're just gonna add some goodness to it. I'm gonna take it up to a whole new level. I did not mean to raise the roof, but I'm not gonna stop it because I already started it. Raise the roof, y'all. Raise the roof. That feels so stupid now. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and press on the notification bell, and then let's get started. I have all of my dry ingredients in a bowl with a sifter. As usual, you can find the ingredients and the measurements down below. I have flour, baking powder, salt, my flour, and my sugars. I'm using dark cocoa powder for this recipe just because it's my new love. I never got dark cocoa powder, that's dark cocoa, together. I'm going to make my little well in the center. I just love the well. I don't even need the well. I'm not making a dough. It just makes me feel complete. I'm gonna add all of my wet ingredients. One-hander! Whisk everything to combine. Calm down, Marisha. And it's runny, but that's okay. It's supposed to be. It's gonna make a super fluffy and moist and perfect chocolate cupcake. Next, I'm going to add some mint chocolate. Now, these are Andes candies. They're basically chocolate chips with creme de menthe inside, and it is so good, you guys. Like, it's so good. So I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup. And I thought of doing a little bit of mint in the batter, but I think just the chocolate chips alone will be perfect. You know it's gonna be good when you can just hear it. You can see the layers of chocolate and the layers of mint. So delicious. In the oven we go, in the oven we go. My cupcakes have come out of the oven and they are so dark and rich and moist and absolutely perfect. I have a simple American buttercream frosting. I'm going to add some creme de menthe. I'm going to add a drop of that as well as a drop of a mint green color to my frosting. And I'm also going to use some chocolate frosting that I already made. Once again, check the description for that video. I put those both in plastic wrap so that I can put them together in my piping bag. Just snip the end of the plastic, and I'm going to use a Teco tip number 867. Any large star tip will do, and then they pipe out together and make the most gorgeous swirl ever. Since you've got the vanilla and mint frosting next to the chocolate frosting, you could bite one side and just get chocolate, bite the other side and get that hint of mint. It is just so tasty. Top these off with a little bit more of your Andes candies as well as some chocolate ganache, or just chocolate if you would like. I just wanted the slightest drizzle, that's why it's like taking me forever. And please, if a candy falls out of place, just pick it back up. Put it where it belongs. That completes this amazing mint chocolate cupcake. If you aren't too fond of minty things, I recommend that you try this anyway because you just might like it, trust me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Leave all of your questions and comments down below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Couture and a mint chocolate cupcake. Bye, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Springtime is definitely in the air. Let me know what you would like to see next down below. I do have some other food cakes coming. However, I want to know what you guys' favorite foods are. What food should I cake? Check the description for my previous St. Paddy's Day videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Cake Nieces. Oh, wait. Because if you like St. Paddy's Day and you want to know what to actually cook, I have a mean brisket that I braised over on my Ohemgee Foodie channel. Okay, Foodie, so this is my corned beef brisket. It's about 2.5 pounds, and this is generally the size that you'll find in your supermarket. I'm going to braise this corned beef today. I'm not making it the traditional method, and I'm going to slice this up. I served this with some red cabbage and a baked potato, and it was so tasty. So this is my braised corned beef. So I hope that you all have a lovely St. Patrick's Day. You're not gonna want to miss that. So go ahead and check that out. I will see y'all soon. Bye, Cake Nieces.